Today I'm going to tell you the story of Qaroon. During Prophet Musa salam's time, there lived a wealthy man named Qaroon. Due to Allah's blessing, he was so rich that the keys to his treasure had to be carried by a few men. But this extreme wealth made him arrogant. He would boast that his success was a result of his own intelligence and hard work. The people around him reminded him that he was wealthy due to Allah's blessing, but he ignored them. He would go out dressed in his best clothes and walk about showing his wealth off. The ignorant people yearned to be wealthy like him, but the pious among them knew that Qaroon could not be wealthy if not for Allah, and that the reward from Allah is far better than any treasure of this world. One night, Qaroon and all of his treasures disappeared, swallowed up by the ground. Qaroon was buried together with his wealth. The people then recognized that this was a punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The wisdom of this story is that all the blessings we have come from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, including our wealth, and we should never be arrogant about it. We should instead be thankful to Allah and use it in good ways. So please, my friends, do let me know how do you find this story and what have you learned. Do not forget to share your comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Jazakumullah khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.